Hello, good
Hello?
morning.
Yeah. Good morning, ma'am. Actually, I can hear you. I can see you properly now.
Yeah, just a minute. I just start to turn on my camera. Mhm.
Okay, fine.
Now, perfect.
Yeah, I can see you. Yeah.
Okay. So, how's your day going? What are
Yeah,
the
it
activities
was
you
fine,
already
ma'am.
did?
Yeah. Actually, days are very good, but nowadays nothing special, only just going on randomly. So, what about you?
Yeah, my days started very well because right now I am my mother house. Um, I'm not my in-laws house because it's a vacation time period for children. So I came here for some days, and yes, my day is going well because here is no responsibility for me to prepare a breakfast for everyone and do household chores. Not at all. So that's why I'm free. And yes, my son is playing on the street with my nephew. So yes, I'm happy here.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
Well,
So just tell me about yourself first.
yeah, sure. Yeah, well, so
Yes.
actually, my name is Saurabh Paul and I'm from West Bengal. And
Mhm.
I have just completed my graduation last year, and these days I'm just preparing myself for government exam and also
Government
just looking
exam.
for
Are you
job also.
preparing for
Yeah,
government
yeah,
exam?
yeah.
Okay. So which exam? Like any particular sector? Hmm.
Actually, ma'am, let me tell you, like I would say, like I would like to get a job at first so that make my ends meet. That's my first priority, and that's the way. And along with this, I would like to do something special in my life. I'd like to make videos on YouTube. Also, I will just do something better so that, even I can do something extraordinary. That's why I'm just that's this way I'm just thinking.
Okay. So are you creative mind person? Is it true?
Mind person, yeah. So
Like, do you like creativity? You want to something different. That's why I'm asking you.
no, you can say, ma'am. Actually, yeah, right, ma'am. That I'm a mind person
Okay.
also.
Mhm. Okay. So, shall I introduce myself first? And then we will
Yeah,
continue our session. Okay.
yeah,
So,
sure.
I am Komal Hirani, and yes, I belong from Gujarat state, and I am homemaker and mother of one son. And simultaneously, I am running a YouTube channel, so I am a YouTuber and homemaker. That's all about me. I have completed Master of Commerce in Accountancy.
All
Yes.
good. Yeah.
So
So
you
yeah,
already completed your graduation. So are you belong
yeah.
from commerce background or science or arts?
Actually, I'm from arts background, ma'am.
Arts background. So you completed BA.
Yeah, BA. My subject
So
was
are
geography,
you?
especially.
Mhm. So what about your masters? Are you
Yeah, I didn't.
continue doing your masters?
No, I didn't pursue for masters. Actually, I'm just focusing on my, in my preparation only because I don't think so that I should pursue master because of some reason. Actually,
Yeah, for
in
I
our
think
state,
so.
yeah,
Mhm. Mhm. Yeah, you can continue.
yeah, in our state, teacher job is very difficult to get actually. So that's why I'm just not going for that. Yeah, so that's the reason.
Okay. And for I think for government exam, it's a eligible criteria is like graduation. Okay. Here is also
Yeah.
graduation is compulsory for if you want a government exam, if you want to clear government
Yeah.
exam, so graduation is compulsory. So you already completed your graduation, so there is no requirement to pursue a master's. Yeah. But I think so side by side we have to do masters because we get if we have a degree, so in future it will be help for us. It will be helpful. Yeah.
Yes, okay.
And So what about you? Just tell me about you are preparing about the government sector exam. So in your states, how's the environment? How the people are crazy to for government exam, and how it's difficult or it's easy to crack the exam?
Not easy, not easy at all. Actually, in
Mhm.
our state also the same. Like everyone just crazy and everyone are just wanting the job of government. So that's why, there is a very difficulty and huge crowd to get a job actually. And they are just applying for a particular job. So that's why, it's difficult for everyone.
So are you taking any classes or are you doing
So,
practice by yourself?
okay, Ruben. Actually, I am just preparing myself actually. I'm just taking classes from YouTube and I'm just watching some videos on YouTube.
Okay.
And this way I'm just, improving my skill and I'm just preparing myself.
So what is the purpose to start your journey behind any reason to started your YouTube channel, and why are you learning this language? For it's very necessary
Yeah,
for you to for your exam. So your
yeah.
exam is conduct in which language? Are you examining your like government exam? Which language they conduct?
Yeah, actually Bengali and Bengali is also available. So I can go for Bengali only. And
Okay.
whenever
Mhm.
I get exam, actually take exam, so I always prefer Bengali. But
Mm.
provided that actually I'm just preparing myself in English language because in YouTube, most of the teacher they are from Hindi medium and they teach in Hindi. So therefore, I'm just always taking classes in English because Hindi is not my cup of tea. It's not my mother tongue actually.
Mm.
And I don't know how to write Hindi, but I understand Hindi and I can speak also a little bit. But that's
Okay.
the reason.
Okay. So how's the environment? I'm just talking about the corruption in your state, in West Bengal. Corruption is available?
Yeah, so ma'am, actually corruption is everywhere. Actually, teacher recruitment state, they have sorry, so actually, teacher recruitment job, there is a scam, huge scam actually. If you go money, then you will get a job. And that's the reason actually. So I'm just not going for a teacher field actually, not teacher job.
Hmm.
Yeah, so that's all.
Okay. So are you running a YouTube channel? So behind any reason to started your channel, any specific purpose to started your channel, or it's a random thought? What is the journey? What's your
Yeah,
journey?
so actually, ma'am, when I was just learning, so I saw some teacher, not teacher, actually co-learner who are just uploading video on YouTube
Mm-hmm.
related to conversations and this. So I thought that let's do the same because I am just there is no any difficulty because you have to just record a video and then you have to just edit a little bit and then you should upload. So that's why I have also started and almost
Okay.
yeah, that's all.
But I think you said like it's easy. Like we just record a video and editing, then after upload. I think so. It's easy for you to, because the consistency is very much necessary. It's very mandatory to
Actually,
run a
but
YouTube
what?
channel.
Yeah,
Mhm.
yeah, well, so what actually is on as you know that you have to practice in English, right? So why not record this and upload this video? Okay,
Yeah,
and that's
you
why,
are, you
and
are saying right.
if you
It's
do
a good
this, yeah,
thing. You are saying right,
if you
it's a
do
good
this,
thing, but what is the matter? Like consistency is very important. It's very crucial. But first of all, every day we have to record a session, and then after editing, yeah, right now you are just focusing on your life. That's why I think it is easy for you. But here I am facing lots of
Yeah,
problem because timing problem to editing and all this, because I am housewife. So I have so many applications on my shoulders. So that's why I'm facing little bit problem. But anyhow, I want to run my YouTube channel. So definitely I try to connect coloners, and it's very good for me because I'm doing practice here. There is no, it's not a good thing like for my channel I'm just starting recording. I just try to record a session. No, just I am doing here practice. So practice
yeah,
purpose, you can say practice purpose, it's very necessary to connect to different peoples. We knows their cultures, their religions, their nature, and we get so many, we get so many energy while talking with other person, because we feel very happy. And then after we realize that
yeah,
yes, I am something, I'm not dumb, I am something, I have quality. So definitely, why not we start our own? Yes.
yeah, ma'am.
Okay. So
Yeah,
what's
good.
your future plan? Any desire you want to fulfill in your life?
Actually, I would like to earn money. That's my first and foremost important in my life. My goal is to earn money. That is first priority in my life.
Mm-hmm.
So that's my goal, you can say, by hook or by crook.
Mm-hmm. So what are the activities are you doing to learn English language?
Okay, well, so actually these days I'm just practicing myself. Apart from that, I'm just taking classes from English ERE. That's going on.
Oh,
And
are you taking classes from English CRE? So
yeah,
how's
yeah,
the experience? Mm-hmm.
yeah, it's literally, an extraordinary experience. And I learned a lot of things from English ERE also. Even I'm just practicing myself, such as just I'm just speaking anything, even randomly, like any topic. As first of all, I just choose any topic, and thereafter just speaking. That's that.
So do you feel like you improved
Yeah,
by
of
taking the
course.
classes from English CRE? Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so I did, ma'am. Actually, I improve a lot because they know how to improve English, and they give me some tips also, and I just follow it this, and this way I'm just improving.
Yeah, and after finishing your session, then after you just go through your session and just try to write down your mistakes on your book. Are you doing this activity?
Yeah, yeah, you can say kind of I'm just doing. Even they give me these some tips like you should do this and you should focus grammar, you should vocabulary, some odd this word you should use, you should say this sentence this way. I noticed this and thereafter I recall it on my mind. Actually, I
Yeah,
prepare in my mind. Yeah, this way.
because it's very mandatory, recall our mistakes. Otherwise, we are doing, we are making mistakes again and again. So that's why.
Yeah, yeah, ma'am.
Okay. So like every coloners, I ask one questions, like which kind of personality you are.
Personality in the sense, could you please
In the
explain
sense,
it?
which kind of person you are. Which kind of person you are.
Person.
Are you talkative person? And I
Oh,
think
well,
you are introvert person, extrovert person. So
actually,
what is the, yeah, just tell me.
yeah, actually, I can say I'm a kind of talkative person, but I'm just feeling a little bit nervous because it is our first meeting. I don't know very well, and that's why you can see my voice a little bit lower, right? So that's why. Okay, and I am just even not confident when I'm just trying to be confident also. And I'm an introvert, not introvert, actually ambivert, not
Right.
introvert, not extrovert. Extrovert, yeah.
Yeah. Whatever you are speaking is right, and yeah, we are making mistake, but you speak very confidently. So I like your confident way. And I want to
Okay,
ask
thank
one
you.
question like, what makes you happy? What makes you happy? Hmm? What are the things
What
makes
makes
you
me
happy?
happy?
Hmm.
Okay, it's a difficult question, and what makes me happy actually?
It's not a difficult
Mm,
question, like it's a I just ask you one question because of like in a day, every day you feel happy. So why you feel happy? What are the things makes you happy?
yeah, so actually my life,
किस चीज से आप खुश
my
होते हो?
place, yeah, मुझे
Hmm.
पता है मैम. Actually, well, so I'm just that things which are making me happy. That is my place, that my friends, that society, my neighbor. I got because and I'm just grateful to God that having such a place and such a life also, and that's make me happy actually.
Yeah, you are. I agree with you. It's amazing. Yeah.
Yeah. So
So, what do you think about life?
yeah,
How we can live our life? Hmm.
life is like piece of cake, and you need to live your life with happiness. Actually, being a happy man is very difficult because everywhere there's negativity. So that's the reason I think so that I would say that you should be happy, and it's a practice. It's not any kinds of game. You need to practice over and every day, and you will definitely see that you are getting happy eventually. So yeah, it's a kind of practice like English.
Okay. And I want to ask you, Alka, did you subscribe my channel or not?
Yeah, so actually, I'm just telling you, ma'am, I can't recall your channel name. Could you please share this on my
Okay.
Skype
So first
account?
of all, my name is Komal. So don't call me ma'am. Just I'm a Komal. And yes, my channel name is Introvert Boss. And if you like, then please subscribe my channel. And
Yeah,
thank you
so
so much. Yes.
yeah, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
So let's we can wrap up our conversation. And thank you so much for connecting me. And thank you so much giving
Yes,
me your precious time. Keep learning and keep happy.
yeah, ma'am. Thank you.
Bye bye.